Most irritating and dramatic reality show judge. Neha Kakkar. Neha is the judge of Indian Idol, the show where she participated as a contestant before. This singer cries during happy, sad elimination. Basically, she cries even 10 minutes in the show, which is torture for the audience. Raghu. He was a judge of the famous reality show Roadies and judged many seasons of the show. His constant ranting and verbal abuse to the contestants was irritating, and he was thrown out of the show because of this. Anu Malik. This famous Bollywood singer is an irritating judge of the singing reality show Indian Idol. He irritates all the audience with his poor shairis and his weird remarks. What he does for comedy actually appears irritating to people. Archana Puran Singh. People find it difficult to hear the jokes on shows wherever Archana judges because of her laughter. Her only work throughout a show is to laugh and looks like she gets paid for her weird laughter, which is really irritating to the ears. Mithun Chakraborty. The Grandmaster of Dance India Dance Mithun Chakraborty always tried to be guardian of everyone, which looked faked. His shairis and poems were too poor and his gimmicks failed to evoke laughter and became irritating. Neha Dhupia. She is the judge of MTV's famous reality show Roadies, and she has nothing to do there except shouting. She shows off fake feminism and just abuses the contestants, and in every season fights with Prince Narula. Himesh Reshamya. Himesh has judged many shows, and in each show he was irritating because of sudden tempers or sudden crying. Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat was the judge of Nach Bali and no one knows why. He has no knowledge of dance and was irritating throughout the season. Geeta Kapoor. Well, everyone knows Geeta Ma cries so much on dance shows that she can easily eradicate the water problem of our country. Her over melodramatic performance irritates everyone watching the show. Shilpa Shetty. This Bollywood actress is always super excited in the show, and she is climbing a ladder to appreciate every performance is too much to handle. Nikhil Chinnappa. He's the judge of famous youth reality show Roadies, and his rants and verbal abuses are irritating. Marzi Pestonji. This judge gimmicks on dance shows first appeared cute because of his face, but later it became too irritating to handle. Prince Narula. He is also a judge of MTV's reality show for youths, Roadies, where his only work is to fight with other gang leaders and is always hyper. Anu Kapoor. Anu Kapoor is the flag bearer of over-dramatic and angry judge. He always put up fight with his co-judges for lame reason, which was too much for audience. Preity Zinta. She was the judge of Nach Bali and her dramas were too much to handle for the audience. Ahmed Khan. He is an angry judge who always had fight with co-judges and contestants. Contestants even wanted to boycott show for his bad remarks. Anurag Basud. This filmmaker is not irritating, but he judging a dance show is too much to handle. Kiran Kher. Her over-dramatic expression every now and then while judging India's Got Talent is fake and too irritating. Raftaar. Raftaar has judged many shows, but he is in the list because of Dance India Dance. Raftaar may be a good dancer, but he does not deserve to be the judge of the show, and he was always super excited. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.